3. 1, 2, 3.
Ano gusto mo makita?
1, 2, 3.
Si Papa pala may plano. I was looking at Papa. I was like, oh my gosh!
Ikaw, nag-request ka dyan? Asan ang cake?
Sa loko-loko.
Excuse me. Mama. Hello.
Hi! Wow.
My fruit.
Oh, sorry again. Again.
Talaga nila yung ano, taba pa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Surprise. Thank you.
And make a wish mo na.
My God. Another surprise na naman. Ako pa meron na naman.
Siyempre.
Ano, na-request mo pa?
O siyempre.
Grabe naman. Gulat ako.
Kanina pa nga yan gustong pumunta rito.
Ako?
Sabi ko mamaya na lang 6:30.
Surprise na naman. Ayoko nito, Red.